Now we're going to need another JavaScript file that's going to handle getting text messages from a user and packaging it properly so that it can send it to this method, get chat completion, to be sent to OpenAI. So I'm just going to create a new file and let's call it inbox.js, because all incoming text messages, whether they come there from a web interface or a chatbot on WhatsApp or Twilio or anything, they're going to come through here and we're going to package them and route them. So let's say a function that takes in a raw text message and returns a message object. Okay, we also want to import get chat completion from agent.js. Let's create a new function. Let's call it package and post message. Let's take a message. Okay, and that looks good. So let's just do that in line. Okay, so this function is going to get a raw text string. It's going to wrap it in this format that OpenAI expects, and then it's going to pass that single message in an array to our get chat completion, which is going to post it to OpenAI. So let's delete this. We no longer need that. And over here, we could do const response equals await package and post message with the message, hello, how are you? Okay, so I added in this log statement and let's run that. Okay, there you go. So that is still working.